Hey guys, today we're diving into a comprehensive review of Fidelity Investments, one of the top online brokerage platforms out there. Whether you're just starting your investment journey or you're a seasoned trader, Fidelity has a lot to offer. Let's break down what makes this platform stand out and where it might fall short. Fidelity Investments is a great fit for both beginners and experienced investors. If you're new to investing, you'll appreciate the easy-to-use platform and the wealth of educational resources available. For those who are more advanced, Fidelity offers robust tools and research capabilities, especially for those who rely on technical and fundamental analysis. However, the platform's portfolio analysis tools may not be as comprehensive as some might like, and it could use a visual update to keep up with more modern competitors. Fidelity is known for its competitive pricing, offering zero-commission trading for stocks, exchange-traded funds, and even over-the-counter stocks. Options trading is also relatively affordable, with a charge of 65 cents per contract. If you're into mutual funds, Fidelity shines with its selection, including zero-expense ratio funds and the minimum investment index funds. However, be aware that non-Fidelity mutual funds may carry a hefty commission of $49.95 at purchase. Fidelity's platform is packed with features that cater to a wide range of investors. The standard desktop platform offers a full suite of tools for analyzing stocks, fixed income, and more. Active Trader Pro, Fidelity's advanced trading platform, is particularly impressive, offering customizable features like Level 2 quotes, heat mapping, and a trade journal. Whether you're trading stocks or options, this platform has almost everything you need, although it lacks features like a short locator and paper trading. The Fidelity mobile app is a solid extension of the desktop experience, offering most of the tools you'd find online. It's highly rated and includes features like portfolio monitoring, research, and even bill pay. However, some research tasks may redirect you to the desktop platform, which could be a bit inconvenient. The app is continuously improving, with new features being added regularly, especially for iOS users. Fidelity Investments is a strong contender in the online brokerage space, offering something for everyone. With its comprehensive tools, competitive fees, and extensive educational resources, it's a platform worth considering whether you're just starting or looking to elevate your trading game. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks!